Have you been lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling? Do you often wake up tired, even after a full night in bed? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with poor sleep every day, and it silently affects everything: your energy, your memory, your mood. You may have tried sleeping pills or herbal teas, but what if the answer isn't in a bottle? What if it's in your plate? Yes, the foods you eat could be the missing piece. Certain natural foods contain sleep-promoting nutrients that calm the mind, relax the body, and support your body's natural sleep cycle. They're simple, effective, and safe for long-term use. In this video, we'll guide you through 5 powerful foods that work with your body, not against it, to gently prepare you for deep, peaceful sleep. No side effects, no complicated diets, just real, wholesome food. And the best part? You probably already have some of these in your kitchen. So, if you're ready to turn your nights around, stay with us because better sleep starts here. Let's begin with the first food on our list. There's a reason why warm milk is often suggested before bed. It's not just an old tale or habit passed down from generation to generation. It's because warm milk has real, natural ingredients that support deep and restful sleep. One of the key elements is an amino acid called tryptophan. Tryptophan helps your brain produce melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone. It tells your body when it's time to rest. As melatonin levels rise, your body temperature lowers, your heart slows down, and your body begins to relax and prepare for sleep. This process becomes even more important as we grow older, because deep sleep can become harder to achieve with age. That's where warm milk can help gently restore the body's rhythm. Warm milk also has calcium. Calcium helps your brain process tryptophan more efficiently. It also plays a key role in relaxing your muscles. When the body feels calm, the mind follows. It's a safe, natural way to tell your system that the day is ending. Unlike sleep pills, which may have side effects or dependency risks, warm milk is gentle, affordable, and easy to prepare. You don't need a full glass. Half a cup of warm milk is more than enough. Drink it slowly, about 30 minutes before going to bed. Make sure it's warm, not boiling, just enough to comfort your body. The warmth itself has a soothing effect. It relaxes your chest and stomach and eases tension in your shoulders. That sense of comfort can often be the bridge to better sleep, especially for those who find it hard to settle down at night. Want to make it even more effective? Add a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds flavor, but supports healthy digestion. A calm stomach helps the whole body feel at ease. You can also try turmeric. Turmeric is known for reducing inflammation in the body, which can make sleep more comfortable if you have aches or pain. Not everyone can digest regular milk easily, and that's okay. You can switch to alternatives like almond milk or oat milk. Almond milk contains magnesium, another nutrient that supports sleep. Magnesium helps regulate your nervous system and calm muscle tension. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, add a spoon of honey. Honey helps tryptophan reach your brain faster. But avoid adding sugar. Sugar can cause energy spikes and interrupt sleep. It's not just about the milk, it's about the moment. Drinking warm milk before bed can become a relaxing bedtime ritual. Use your favorite mug, turn off bright lights, and sit in a quiet spot. You might play some soft music or simply sit in silence. Let your mind slow down as your body gets cozy. This quiet routine sends a message to your brain. It's time to rest. Bananas are more than just a quick snack. They're one of nature's most effective bedtime foods, packed with nutrients that naturally relax your body and calm your mind, making them the perfect choice before bed. One of the key nutrients in bananas is magnesium. Magnesium plays a powerful role in relaxing muscles. It reduces tension, quiets nerve signals, and helps you feel calm. It's like a natural muscle relaxant, gently telling your body to slow down. Bananas also contain potassium, another mineral that supports restful sleep. Potassium helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure. When these are stable, your body can fully relax and enter deep sleep. This is especially important for people who wake up often during the night, or those who feel restless even after lying down. Another reason bananas work so well is because of tryptophan. Yes, just like warm milk, bananas also contain this special amino acid. Tryptophan gets converted into serotonin, the feel-good chemical. Then serotonin helps produce melatonin, the sleep hormone. This chain reaction calms your mood and encourages peaceful sleep. Bananas are also rich in vitamin B6. This vitamin supports the conversion of tryptophan to serotonin, so your body becomes more efficient in producing the chemicals needed for sleep. B6 also helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the right time. Unlike processed bedtime snacks, bananas are gentle on your stomach. They don't cause bloating, gas, or discomfort. This makes them ideal if you've had digestive issues that affect your sleep. In fact, the fiber in bananas can help smooth digestion through the night, keeping your system calm and steady. You can eat a banana on its own about 1 hour before bed, or slice it into a small bowl with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon adds warmth and supports digestion, a perfect pairing. Some even mash banana into warm milk for a double sleep-boosting combo. It's easy, natural, and feels comforting after a long day. Worried about sugar? Don't be. Bananas contain natural sugars balanced with fiber. That means they release energy slowly without causing spikes. In fact, this steady release helps your brain feel satisfied, reducing those nighttime cravings or late-night hunger. You can also blend half a banana with a few almonds or oats. This makes a light smoothie rich in sleep-promoting minerals. Just remember, keep it simple and don't make it too cold. Cold foods may shock your system before bed. Some people struggle to fall asleep due to stress or anxious thoughts. That's where bananas can really help. By calming your nervous system and gently raising serotonin, they make it easier for your mind to unwind. No harsh chemicals, no sleep medications, just a banana. Try eating one every evening for a week and observe the results. Many people report falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. It's a small habit that leads to real changes in your sleep quality. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries as a natural sleep remedy. It's not just an old tradition, modern science supports it too. Chamomile is packed with calming properties, and it's one of the safest, gentlest ways to wind down at night. The secret lies in a powerful antioxidant called apigenin. Apigenin binds to special receptors in your brain. These receptors are responsible for reducing anxiety and stress. By calming these signals, apigenin helps your mind relax. And when your mind is calm, your body follows. Chamomile doesn't force sleep, it invites it. It gently slows down your nervous system. It tells your heart to beat slower, your muscles to loosen. Your breathing becomes deeper and smoother, and you start to feel naturally sleepy, without pressure or effort. That's what makes chamomile tea so special. It's not addictive, and it doesn't interfere with your sleep cycle. Instead, it supports your body's own rhythm, helping you drift off peacefully and wake up without grogginess. Drinking chamomile tea can be part of a beautiful bedtime routine. Start by boiling water and letting the tea steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover your cup while it brews. This keeps the beneficial oils inside. As you wait, breathe in the gentle aroma. This scent alone can begin to relax your senses. It tells your brain it's time to slow down. Make sure to sip the tea slowly, not quickly. Let it be a quiet moment for yourself. No screens, no noise, just the comfort of warmth in your hands. This practice trains your mind to associate tea time with rest. Chamomile is also known for reducing inflammation. That means if you have joint pain or mild discomfort at night, chamomile might help ease the tension in your body. It also supports digestion, helping prevent bloating or gas, so your stomach doesn't interfere with your sleep. For even more benefits, try adding a slice of fresh ginger. Ginger warms the body and soothes the digestive tract. Or add a bit of honey, not just for sweetness, but because honey can also help your brain absorb tryptophan, which further supports melatonin production. Some people mix chamomile with other sleep-friendly herbs, like lavender, lemon balm, or valerian root. But even chamomile alone is powerful enough on its own, especially when used consistently over time. It's best to drink your tea 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to absorb the natural compounds and begin the slow shift from alert to restful. Be sure to keep the environment calm as you sip. Dim the lights, turn off loud sounds, and keep the air cool. These little things combine with the tea to form a powerful sleep signal. If you find yourself waking up often at night, chamomile can help you fall back asleep faster. It calms the nervous system and reduces nighttime awakenings. That means deeper, more restorative rest. Oats are not just a breakfast food. They're actually one of the most underrated evening meals, especially when it comes to supporting better sleep. A warm bowl of oats can relax the body, calm the mind, and create the perfect conditions for a peaceful night. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates. These carbs help more tryptophan enter your brain. Tryptophan is the amino acid that your body turns into serotonin, and serotonin then turns into melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. So oats don't just fill you up, they help signal your brain to rest. Unlike sugary snacks or processed foods, oats release their energy slowly and gently. That means your blood sugar remains stable through the night, which prevents sudden energy spikes or crashes that might wake you. Keeping your body in a calm, steady state. They also contain a good amount of magnesium. Magnesium plays a big role in muscle relaxation and nervous system balance. It helps quiet down brain activity and physical tension, so your body feels truly ready to rest when you lie down. Vitamin B6 in oats supports serotonin production as well. This vitamin helps your body stay emotionally balanced and gives your brain the right tools to produce calming neurotransmitters. That's why oats can be especially helpful on days filled with stress or worry. One of the best ways to enjoy oats in the evening is as a warm bowl. You can make them with water or milk, either dairy or plant-based. Adding warm milk gives extra tryptophan and a creamy texture. It's not too heavy, but it satisfies the stomach. That satisfaction helps prevent midnight hunger or cravings, which are common reasons for broken sleep. You can also customize your oats with other sleep-friendly ingredients. A spoonful of almond butter adds healthy fats and magnesium. A sprinkle of flax seeds offers omega-3s that support brain health. Or try chopped bananas or berries for natural sweetness and nutrients. Avoid adding too much sugar. Too much sweetness before bed can overstimulate your system. Instead, use a little honey or cinnamon for gentle flavor. Cinnamon also supports blood sugar control and digestion, helping your stomach feel light and calm before bed. Another great tip is to prepare your oats as overnight oats. These are made by soaking oats in milk in the fridge, so they're soft, cool, and ready to eat without cooking. Some people find cool foods easier to digest before sleep, especially during warmer nights or in tropical weather. If you often feel anxious at bedtime, oats can help. Because of their impact on serotonin, they improve mood regulation. So instead of racing thoughts or restlessness, you feel more emotionally centered and at ease. Oats are also a good source of melatonin itself. Yes, the very hormone your body produces to help you sleep. Oats naturally contain small amounts of melatonin, so eating them in the evening reinforces your body's own supply. Almonds are more than just a snack. They're a natural sleep aid packed into a tiny, powerful nut. Easy to eat, easy to digest, and full of nutrients that matter, especially when it comes to preparing your body for a restful night. One of the biggest benefits of almonds is magnesium. This mineral plays a key role in promoting sleep. Magnesium helps reduce stress hormones in the body. It also supports steady muscle function and nerve control, so your body feels physically relaxed, not tense or restless. Just a handful of almonds can deliver nearly 20% of your daily magnesium. That's enough to support the transition from activity to rest and reduce the chances of muscle cramps or nighttime tension, which often disturb sleep, especially in older adults. But magnesium isn't the only reason almonds are a sleep champion. They're also rich in tryptophan and melatonin. Tryptophan, as we know, helps produce serotonin, which then converts into melatonin, the sleep hormone. Melatonin tells your brain it's time to rest. It regulates your body's internal clock, so you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Eating almonds regularly may help improve this natural rhythm. Almonds also contain healthy fats. These fats are important for hormone production and brain function. They keep you full and satisfied during the night, so you don't wake up hungry or uncomfortable. Protein in almonds also helps balance blood sugar levels, which is important because blood sugar spikes or drops at night can trigger the body to wake up or stay restless. A steady protein source like almonds helps prevent this. For best results, eat a small serving of almonds in the evening. Around 6 to 8 almonds is more than enough. Too many may make you feel too full, which isn't ideal before bed. But just a few, about 1 to 2 hours before sleep, can help greatly. You can eat them raw or lightly roasted, but avoid heavily salted or sweetened varieties. Too much salt or sugar can work against sleep. Keep it simple, keep it natural. Your body responds better that way. Some people enjoy almond butter as part of their bedtime snack. Just a spoonful on a banana or oat biscuit can do wonders. It's comforting, satisfying, and supports all the same nutrients. Plus, it's easier to chew if you prefer a softer texture. Almonds also support heart health, and a healthy heart means better blood flow and oxygenation during sleep, which translates to deeper, more restorative rest. Your body works better, your brain thinks clearer, and you wake up feeling fresher, not groggy or foggy. The vitamin E in almonds also protects brain health. This antioxidant helps reduce inflammation and cellular stress, both of which can affect how well your brain enters deep sleep stages. So almonds are not only for the body, but for the mind too.